What's going on? I am currently in a Walmart parking lot. I just picked up some supplies for my next adventure, which is going to be Shenandoah National Park, so I'm super excited about that. But before I do that, I need to go grab some dinner tonight, so I'm just going to go over to the Cracker Barrel because I can camp there and get myself fed. Let's roll. Oh yeah, in case you're new here, my name's Garrett. I live in the back of my Storyteller van. I sold everything I own. Just been traveling around the country ever since then. Just a 5-minute drive, be pretty quick. Whoops, I'm going the wrong way in the parking lot. Get over to the other side, Garrett. Thank you, Walmart, for the groceries. Definitely a pretty dreary day here in Staunton, Virginia. There's been a bunch of thunderstorms that's been rolling in. There's been some tornado watches, but they expired a while back. But that's the reason I was kind of hanging out at Walmart. Whenever there's weather, I like to be somewhere where I can get indoors if need be. Home sweet home for tonight. This place is packed with RVs. I don't think I've ever been to a Cracker Barrel this busy. They are everywhere. Found a nice spot to back into here. Put that bike over the grass. Beautiful. All right, let's go get some food up in me. And got lunch for tomorrow. Yeah, there was no way I was finishing all that food, so got some leftovers for tomorrow. That'll be lunch. I've really got to organize my fridge. It is packed right now. I have to give a shout out to Cracker Barrel because this has been the one consistent place I've been able to stay at since I've been traveling. If you're looking for a place to stay, boondocking, Cracker Barrel is almost a sure bet. I always go in and ask just to be sure, but most of them actually have RV spots. Walmart, on the other hand, has been hit or miss, so I know I can always count on Cracker Barrel. Movie night tonight. Tomorrow I'm gonna wake up, I'm gonna go hit the gym and get a shower over at the Planet Fitness in town. But after I hit the gym, I'm gonna go over to Shenandoah National Park. I have done no planning for this trip whatsoever. I'm just gonna go in there. I don't know where I'm gonna sleep. I wanna stay in the park. It's only 30 bucks a night, so we'll see if there's anything available. But yeah, tonight, just gonna watch a movie. I'm gonna sign off for now, and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning. So, got a really good night's sleep last night here at the Cracker Barrel. One thing to note, most Cracker Barrels are located right off interstates. There usually is some road noise. It doesn't bother me that much because I keep my fan running at night to keep ventilation. I don't really hear it, so I sleep good. So today, I'm gonna be heading over to Planet Fitness to get a workout in and a shower before heading over to Shenandoah National Park. The park's main road, Skyline Drive, runs for 105 miles throughout the Blue Ridge Mountains, and it's got these scenic overlooks all along the way that just give some really cool views. The other cool fact is Shenandoah has the highest black bear population than any other place in the United States. I don't think I'll see any bears, but it'd be really cool if I did. I'm gonna finish my coffee here and then pack up, get ready for the gym. I'll check in with you later. Looks like most everybody cleared out this morning. Still got a few stragglers like me. Let's go. That dinner last night at Cracker Barrel was delicious, so thank you, Cracker Barrel, for the dinner and a place to stay. All right, time to lift some weights and grab a shower. Forgot to remove my dirty clothes from the other day. All right, good to go. Was struggling for a transition here, so watch me plank. Since I got back in the van, I've just been doing a little research about Shenandoah National Park, and I found a campground on the park that I'm going to stay at. It's called the Big Meadows Campground. It is about an hour and a half from where I'm at. I'm going to get on the road and go check out the park. Here we go. So that sign says, slow down, there's been 6 deer crashes this year. So we'll keep a lookout for deer. Here's the start, or at least the start where I'm starting, Skyline Drive. And Big Meadows is 15 miles from here, so I'm sure we'll see some cool spots along the way. Y'all, I just made it to the first overlook. This is amazing. Check this out. It's also a good 10 degrees colder. It was like 55 this morning when I woke up at Cracker Barrel, and it is, thermostat in the van shows 46. This deer does not care at all. Like, I am so close to him, getting his grub on. What a drive. Beautiful. This is the Bald Mountain overlook. It says the elevation is around 3,300 feet. Oh, wow. This might be the best one yet. Ooh, definitely chillier. Beautiful. So I just noticed that this one has a little trail going down to some rocks, so I'm gonna walk down there and just see. Go ahead and turn off the van here. Ooh, windy up here. All right, looks like we're coming into Big Meadows now, which is where my spot is. Starting to see some sights here. This looks like my spot right here, E191. Pretty level spot. All right, gonna get my pack ready and hit the trail. It just occurred to me, I haven't even shown you the campsite yet, so let's take a look at that first. So got a fire pit, a little picnic table, and a little pull-in site. Not much to it, but it works. And I think I'm gonna do the Lewis Falls Trail because I hear there's some pretty cool waterfalls on it. Here we go. So this trail is rated as hard, so I guess there's some rock scrambles, so we'll see how it goes. I'm excited. So this trail has been downhill the entire way. I'm definitely gonna have to remove a layer or two on the way back up. Definitely having to do a little bit of scrambling. Wow. This is really cool. You can see all those mountains in the background. And I hear the falls, so we're getting close. I've found the best view of the day. Unfortunately, we can't really see the big drop of the waterfall. We can see the beginning of it. Hold on, let me take you down here. Look at that view. Wow. Pretty steep drop-offs over here though. This is so cool. You got the waterfall starting up there, coming all the way down. And then right over there, it does a steep drop off and it just falls for, I don't know how many feet, but it's a long ways. All right, so I'm gonna sit here, just relax for a little bit and prep myself mentally for the climb back up because the whole way to get down here was a descent. So the whole way back is gonna be a climb. So I'm gonna take a break first. Headed back up. It's time to take off those layers. These deer aren't really scared of me at all. Just going about their business. Sorry for my heavy breathing. It's been a pretty steady ascent. So, it's no joke climbing out of there. Out of breath, so just taking a break for a minute. Made it back. Just a little bit further till we get back to the van. All right, home sweet home. So I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but basically says I did 3.48 miles and I descended 1,000 feet and my ascent was 958 feet. It was a good hike. I enjoyed it. I think I'm going to relax in the van for a little bit, just kind of decompress, and then I'm going to make dinner in a little bit. I'll catch up with you later. Hope you enjoyed this video. I am super excited to be here. I'm probably going to stay here for another couple of days, but we'll see what happens. I may do a part 2. Who knows? Because I'm planning on doing a lot more hikes here. Haven't even touched the surface of this park. It is just amazing. Highly recommend coming to Shenandoah National Park. Skyline Drive is beautiful. The hikes are anywhere from, I would say most of them are moderate to strenuous. Thanks so much for watching the video. I really appreciate it. If you wouldn't mind giving it a like, maybe subscribing for more content like this. Like I've said before, I'm trying to show you a raw, unfiltered perspective of what it's like to live in a van. I'm gonna sign off for now. I'll see you guys next week. See ya.